I have a peak intro for.
All right. Hello, everybody. You want to do your intro then?
Yo, me, Madison, and James are gonna. Madison, the creator of this YouTube channel, and James are gonna be playing the famous Roblox game Endgame. James, shush. No, I gotta redo that, guys. Thanks a lot. Madison, can you say the intro again?
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel.
In this video, Madison, me, her son, and her other son, James, are going to be playing the famous Roblox game, Endgame. Can we actually beat this game and not get cooked by these random kids in these servers? Or can we actually win the games? Or at least I think we might lose.
We might get cooked.
Find out.
All right, let's go. Let's head in. All right, I'm in.
Well, Crosby, I just got 3 free power rolls. James, why the freak are you bald? Because I meant to be a tra-la-la-la, but then my thing just... I cannot talk to you now.
Bro did the Italian brain rot.
If you give me some tra-la-la. Okay. Guys, I'm rolling for the power. And I can flip people. Guys, I'm doing one more roll. Maybe. I got the medic again. I'm actually roll again.
I have the medic.
I'm actually gonna come here. I have a banana. How are they in there? How did they get in there?
I have no clue.
No, Maddie, POV anime laughs. I got the medic all 3 times. I was able to spin, and now I'm mad. I got medic, trickster, and medic.
I got I think player 120 and medic twice.
Yeah. Wait, are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm screen recording.
Good. We are currently looking at the frontman walk out and walk back in the elevator because everyone decided to skip. Sit still now.
All right, let's go. Time for red light, green light. That's Mingle, bro.
Wrong game. Oh, yep. Banana. Guys, our immediate off is James because he's freaking Mr. Coin Jr.
Here, everybody get in the same thing.
Middle.
I got in the middle.
There's really only 7 people in the server, possibly, maybe. So I was the only runner on the left. And I was me and Kakashi Sensei were the only ones on the left.
All right, are we gonna work together? Are we gonna work together, y'all?
Yeah, guys, there's like really only 7 people in here. That's crazy.
All right. I have my volume off so that way I don't get copyrighted.
Yeah, James, turn off your volume. I can hear it through my screen, so she can probably hear it too.
Yeah, I can hear it too, but it'll be fine. It's light, so.
Well, turn your scrap off. We're in the middle of a match.
Yeah, we're in the middle of a match. I'll do it afterwards.
On the next red light.
Yes!
Guess what number I am? Yo, chat, like, actually stuff. Dude, I'm 46. Guys, I'm player 167. How do I make that?
Hey, we made it.
Yes, man.
That was really gay.
My bad. I'm actually gonna go get this thing out, you guys.
Banana.
Come here, bro. No, chat. Also, chat, I'm not gay. It's just that, like, due to
He's not gay, but he acts gay. That's how most of my friends are, anyways, or at least the male friends.
James, I'm actually going to punch you. That's a point. Come here, Madison. Let me trip you off. Bro, what the freak? Chat? Oh, my bad.
What did I do?
What did she do, bro? I was trying to get you. You were trying to pick her up and just sound weird.
Here, we need to hug it out. We need to hug it out, y'all. Hug it out. Where my hug at?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Frosty, I mean you. Why can we only walk? So freaky.
Get my good side.
I'm so small with my clothes. Yeah, guys, go up the secret stairs.
Secret stairs? Bad.
The flip it stairs.
Oh,
The
I kind of
stairs are
fell.
the problem. I know. Oh, you mean the stairs in the waiting room for Dalgona? No, not those.
I give up, bro. I can't make it up there. I swear, if I get the umbrella, I'm actually gonna tweak. Wait, what?
It's you. It's on my banana.
Oh, banana.
Banana. Banana hero. Oh. Banana.
Here, look. Banana.
Stop tripping on my banana.
Sorry. And stop being dirty-minded.
Alright, I actually have the lighter. Tell me what you get. Imagine one of us gets Mona Lisa, dude.
If we get the Mona Lisa, we're so cooked.
I actually want the Mona Lisa. I have too much aura.
I got the umbrella. You gotta be kidding me. I got the umbrella.
Luckily, I have the.
Son, we got the same thing.
I have the lighter, so I'm actually killing chat. Alright, I finished. What'd you get?
Oh, yeah. I did it. I did the cookie. I got the umbrella. No, somebody actually got the Mona Lisa.
Yeah, that's what I just said. You have to walk on them. You have to walk. Why did Franklin get shot, bro?
He got the Mona Lisa.
Well, let me just see my star cookie real quick. Wow, cool. Dangerous Dan. Oh, the one dude who got Mona Lisa had to get shot, but then I got shot.
You got? Are you alive?
Please. Okay, let's my girl. I have a game idea, alright? Yeah, guys, follow me. Okay. Jabs and Ken, if you see this video, alright, hear me out. Okay, hear me out. Okay, what if most people die, half of the people in Dalgona or red light, green light die, then lights out doesn't happen.
Actually?
If not that many people die, then lights out does happen. Yummy, dude.
I'm saving it. Is Lights Out gonna be tonight or no?
I think it is. Frosty, quit touching me. I will come after you.
Yo!
He just made me sound freaking like a PDF file. Quit touching me. Bro, I'm not a PDF file.
Y'all are the same age.
You'll get the monetized.
Y'all are the same age, bro.
What?
Y'all are the same age. That doesn't work.
I'm saying I'm saying PDF file, so it's technically not demonetizable.
Oh yeah, well you're the same age, so it doesn't make sense.
Still, like you think that you're gonna get demonetized when you're not, because I'm saying PDF file.
Yeah, I don't.
She's not YouTube appropriate. You will get demonetized. No, she won't, bro. Yes, she will. She will not, bro.
If you,
Scott, I'm gonna actually. Yeah, get ready. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, I was actually trying to get like that guy that was trying to like power up, like he's actually cool. But he's really not. He's asking if he wants to more. You want to come? I'm trying to help a Sigma
hey yo.
This guy must be like not cool. No, they're coming after me. They're coming after me. Help me. Nah, chat, you're cooked. You're good. No, I'm good because I'm medic.
I'm just sitting up here eating my food.
But I'm under the stairs. Yo, chat, what you trying to do?
I'm just eating my food like a real Big Mac.
Oh, guys, man. Is that okay?
I'm just eating my food like a real Big Mac.
I found Luffy. No eating Luffy. Yeah, yes, hitting Luffy. Yes.
Oh yeah, I survived.
That's like that. I'm no longer a pacifist. I'm coming to get you. Bet, bro. Do it. I think you are a freaking sick of it. Alright, guys, tug of war, please. I beg you. Tug of war. Why doing that? Tug.
I voted tug of war.
If we don't all get same team, I'm going to be so mad.
For real.
Yeah. I think people said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ooh.
I need some aura.
No aura. 0 aura.
No, the last thing I came out of so much. You just hit me for having aura. That's crazy.
0 aura.
I want to man up here.
I said 0 aura, now he's chasing me.
You know he's gonna try and jump the opposite team. You know he's gonna be on the opposite team right now. If not, he's gonna throw the entire team. Aura is not real.
Wait, what?
But aura is not real.
Exactly. He has no aura.
Banana peel.
0 aura. Bro, I need this aura. You have no aura. Bro thinks he has aura. He has 0. Zilch. No, aura. I need this aura to kill you. Excuse you?
Bro, then I'm the only one behind us. He might be on an option. Opposite team.
Oh my god. We got this.
So we have Luffy on our team, I'm pretty sure, and he was kind of aura farming earlier, so we might. Well, Luffy has so much aura though. But you already know.
I kind of said 0 aura to him, so I'm glad we're on the same team right now.
He might blow the entire game. Yeah, good luck. Crap, I messed up.
Oh.
Why are you freaking messing up? That's not crap. That's
Ooh.
crap. That's on me, chat. I'm sorry.
No, that's on me.
Well, are we gonna win? Am I gonna win? Tap.
Ooh, we're cooked.
Redemption arc.
We're cooked.
Redemption arc.
We're cooked. Oh my god, we're so cooked. I'm cooked. I'm so cooked.
I'm saving us right now, possibly.
Oh, we're cooked.
No, that's all because of me, dude. I'm the biggest obstacle of 5 to you guys. Wait, are you guys red or blue? I think we're blue, maybe.
I think we're blue.
No, you're not. Oh, my thing it has like a blue arrow for it. So yeah, same here. But this game's gonna be forever.
There's only 20 seconds left, so if we keep the balance, we might all be safe.
Wait, that's how the game works?
Maybe. I don't know.
Either that or we're all died. What is it?
Either or. Or what?
Wait, okay, that's not fair.
That's actually not fair.
Yeah, I think you having to the mountain. You have to spectate me. No,
Yeah,
I'm not. I just went back to lobby. Sorry, chat.
I'm spectating him right now, so.
I'm not allowed to do this. But, oh, I'm the only one who survived. There were 3 people who survived that.
I said, see? 0 aura.
What do you say?
I don't know, but I said in chat, I said, see, 0 aura. He said,
Jump rope.
jump rope.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, I died on jump rope last time, I think.
God, I might be cooked. I heard you on jump rope, though.
Yeah,
Well,
you
are
might be
streaming
cooked.
then?
Good luck. What?
Are you streaming or just video?
It's video.
I'm waiting for if one of you guys wants to. If you guys want to join me.
Oh, next time we can stream next time because I do have Twitch.
Cool. What next time is after this video?
Yeah, after I upload the video.
Push him, please. He said a song. I go this. Why did he say I go this? And why is there a speed gate though right there?
Little kid.
So I am going to be waiting for you guys. So
Okay, I'll stream next time.
when is next time after this video?
Yeah, after I upload this video. Oh.
Yo, chat. How? Daddy, did you do that?
Yeah, well, this is where I end this video since we all died. Bye, guys. You want to say bye?
Yeah, bye, chat.